The truth of the matter is that the only way you can actually make money in crypto right now is either you are an insider or you're tracking an insider.
Okay, so now what do you now make?
Even if you're tracking an insider and you're 1 minute or 1 second late, you still not make money. So this is the best way to track an insider.
So let's start out by going to the app called 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏. Why we're going to 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏 is because 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗏 contains all the
𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏. Then here on 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏, we're going to look for successful tokens that has been launched over the past few months or past few days or something. So let me just click on this totally in front of my app right here. So we'll click on charts. Now we are not just going to be looking at the chart right here, but we are going to get an information that is very important for you to track and address. So there are several tokens there are several addresses out there that are making profit or that are profitable, but right here on Toli we're going to click on top traders. I told you we are not interested in the chart either. So now these top traders are people who has made the most profit in their hierarchy. All right, so you will see those who invested and you will see those who did not. All right, these ones here that you are seeing that they are blank, you have the bought section and the sold section. All right, and when the bought section is empty, it's either the person did not buy, just receive it transferred from another wallet, or it's the team that are selling. All right, so now we're going to look over this person here that bought 149,000 and sold about 382,000 and made a profit of 232,000. So this person knows something. That's the wallet, the second most profitable wallet in this case. Now we've just clicked on that and you can see right here the person has about 10k, that's 72, so, and then it has about 1,900 so right here. But that's not all. Most of their holdings is always displayed right here, but you will not find every single token that they hold right there, so you're not interested in that. These traders don't just buy and hold, they trade per second. You can see transaction ongoing for the past seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 11 seconds. These people use both, so it's not like they are manually trading. They are always on chain, making researches and trading. So you want to track their trade. So the amount in which they buy it always differs. So the value of so they bought is always displayed right here, but this could display a value, not the correct value though. So let's just go over, let's look at this latest transaction. Let's click on it. Now always look for, if you see the one that has Radium swap or something, you should just quickly check out that particular one. All right, so now looking at this right here, you can see here I told you it won't display the Solana value because that person didn't use Solana to buy it, so the person definitely used USDC to buy. So now this person swapped from 147 USDC to 81 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗡 token. Now what you're interested in right here is the token they bought. Okay, so they did this swap on Jupiter aggregator. Okay, you can see Radium right here too. So let's click on the 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗡 token. So that's what we are interested in. That's definitely a new token. He bought $147 too. So now the lesser the amount that you use, the lesser your risk should be in whatever the token it is. Sometimes they use like 10 souls, sometimes they use like 5 souls or something. It differs. All right, but just don't risk too much. Okay, so now we are about to get the contra address of this token right here, and when you click, this is the contra address right here. So you just tap on it to copy the contract address. Now with that contra address, we'll go back to our 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏. 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏, click on the search, paste the contra address, and then it should display the token. You can see it right there, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗡 token. So we'll click on the first one right there. It's on Radium. So you can buy this token on Radium or on Jupiter Aggregator, but this is not an endorsement to buy this token right here. This is just a video, and this is not a financial advice after all. So now look at this token right here. Let's click on the chart. Let's look at the chart and see how much it has performed. So while this is coming on, note that the faster you are able to get in, the moment they get in, the better for you. And you should also track the address when they set, so that you can join them to set. All right, because these are experienced whales. So I'm trying to load the price of the token, but it isn't, I mean the chart of the token, but it's taking a lot of time to come on, but you get the point, right? Now with that contract address that you just copied, now you can go on to swap the token immediately. So with that, now you could be monitoring the price of this token from your desk screener by adding it to favorite. All right, so when you add it to favorite, subsequently you can always come on here when you log on to your desk screener for the first time, or you can always come on to watch list, and then you'll be able to see the token on your watch list, just like it. Okay, yeah, this is right here. You can always see it on your watch list. So with that, now you're able to track that particular insider wallet, right?
Okay. Now the next way is, if there is an influencer like Kanye West that is trying to launch a token, now the best way to get first-hand buying information on that token is to snipe his X account. If you are saying you're staying awake and waiting for him to drop the contract address for you to copy and manually buy, then you're on a long thing, because before you buy, there are bots that are front running you. Okay, there are some persons that don't even need to be awake to be able to get the contract address first hand. Now this is a website that you can use to get that contract address. The moment he drops it, in just less than a second, this bot will get that contract address, copy it, and then buy this token for you as soon as possible. So one thing.
So let's get started. Now you have to go to this website, 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗏𝗧. Click on Telegram bot. Now it will take you to their Telegram channel, where it will automatically create a wallet for you on the Telegram channel, on the Telegram bot. Now you copy your address, save your seed phrase, deposit some Solana into it, because without Solana you can't snipe any X account. Now when you deposit Solana, the next thing is you click on the menu to get the list of the commands. There are so many things that this bot can do. Now when you get that command, click on snipe X. All right, we're trying to snipe an X account. Now it will tell you the command that you need. Click on that command and copy it. Now copy it and paste in the chat box. Now we are going to go over to Kanye West's X account, because he is the one intending to drop a token. Now this applies not only to Kanye West, but any other celebrities or callers, let's say Web3 callers that you have out there, that the moment they drop CA, the contract address of a token, you want to be the first to buy, front run. This will give you an edge over every other person. You are going to be able to front run every other person to buy. All right, now I've just copied Kanye West username. Now I'm going to write it right here, Kanye West. Now after doing that, I'm going to enter the amount as confirmation, enter the amount that I want to use to buy it. I want the bot to buy it with. So I could put like 0.1, so 0.2, so depending on how much I want to use. Okay, so now after entering the amount, you click on enter. So you could see mine didn't go through right there because I don't have any. So but this is basically what you need to do. Once you've done this, congratulations. Once Kanye West launch any token, you're going to be the first person to buy that token. Now this will keep going on for as many CA contract address that is going to be dropping in the future, but you can remove it by using the remove command. All right.
So one thing you have to do right now is to like this video, subscribe. If you want to buy this demand money, you will lose money. Trust me, you lose money. You can ask those that bought Libra, those that bought Trump, and those that bought millennia late. So thank you.